Hey guys, welcome to MS Excel tutorial. In today's string functions, I'm going to cover the mid function. Mid function is used to extract a substring from a string. Now let me show you with the help of an example. In this example you see here, the example string says, I'm the king of the world from Titanic movie. Now from this string, I want to extract this particular word, king. For this, the mid function requires three parameters. So let me write the mid function here, mid. You see here, the first parameter is the text. So for that, I select the string. This is the string from where the text will be pulled. The second parameter says the starting number. This is the starting position of that particular substring which I want to extract. So I know the position of that particular substring. It starts from the 10th character. You can use the length function, which we have done in our previous tutorials to find it out. So I write here the start number is 10 and the number of characters. I need 4 characters starting from the 10th position. So I write 4 here, close the parenthesis here and press the enter key. And here I get the substring. Okay. So with this, I end up the mid function. Thank you.